Over the past 6 months, the state of Texas has gone from a hotbed state for COVID-19 cases to now one of the focal points for research for the virus.
Today, Araceli Hernandez caught up with the Texas Tribune's Alana Rocha, who explains why that development actually makes perfect sense.
Alana Rocha is here with the Texas Tribune to talk about how Texas has emerged as a leading site for COVID-19 research. Alana, why Texas and why now?
Yeah, as our health reporter Edgar Walters writes today on TexasTribune.org, it's sort of a perfect storm Venn diagram, if you will, of conditions that are lending itself to several clinical trials. In Houston in particular, you have a large population, unfortunately a large population or a large number of cases of COVID, and then a major medical, complex there along with major research universities. And so all those factors combined make it an ideal spot to where we're just behind California and New York as far as the number of clinical trials happening here in Texas. Two key ones are looking at plasma, the blood from people who have recovered from COVID, both stopping an infection for people who are exposed, not yet confirmed to have it, and then those who are confirmed to have it, but maybe stopping the symptoms from becoming more severe. So a lot of cool research happening, while we wait for a vaccine, which experts say could be another year or so.
With early voting starting in less than 2 weeks already into the month of October, today's the first day of October, there are some legal issues, though, that are still surrounding this, right?
Yeah, and I actually refrain from talking about those because I feel like the back and forth in courts just kind of sows voter confusion. And one key one, though, that seems pretty settled after it came up within the last week or so is straight ticket voting. Republicans passed a law in 2017 that was set to take effect for now the general election in 2020 that would end straight ticket voting, where you just kind of do one punch at the top that selects all candidates from a single party. Just on Wednesday, the Fifth Circuit Court of Appeals said, no, that law will take effect as planned, so there will not be straight ticket voting. But what people will need to know is to be well informed. Know your county elections office, the address, the phone number. Many are encouraging people to come in and drop off their mail-in ballots. They want to kind of circumvent the post office and all the confusion and doubt surrounding that process. We have a voting guide on our website at TexasTribune.org. You go to the top voting guide there, and you can even find your county election office. It's just a great resource and can answer a lot of questions, confirm that your vote counts.
All right, Alana Rocha with the Texas Tribune. Thanks again.
Thank you.